Yo, what's up? Sorry for that background noise. That's the furnace in here. But, anyways. Oh, yeah, Beanie Bodie up in this grill, bro. Let's go. Wisconsin. Anyways. So, your boy is going to be sled riding today. Now, I'm going to try and make this a better video. So, in the previous times, I would just, waste a bunch of time with this talking and walking because, you know, there's a lot of walking when you're sled riding because you got to walk up the hill and then keep doing that, and you only it takes you a lot longer to walk up a hill than go down on the sled. So I'm gonna cut that stuff out and make this video. I don't know how long I made this video. I said I would keep posting, and I had video ideas, but I couldn't get to posting them because it goes the whole way back to New Year's Day. I couldn't post because it was raining all day, so I couldn't fish, and then it got cold. And then I was going to post a video of, the best moments of 2021, and then I lost a bunch of those videos, so I can't post that. So, we're here 16 or 15 days later, whatever it is, and we're going to try and post and get a video out to you guys. So, I'll see you guys when I am sled riding. Peace. Alright, boys, so it's snowing. And we're going. Slow, but we're going. I'm gonna get thrown off at one point. I know it. That's icy, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, boys, so I'm back. Over there, you can see the points for it, and obviously, maybe let's snow it out. I got 9 inches. Let's go. Oh, crap. Shut up. I don't want to talk about it. Alright. Sorry, I got a wall jump here. Just because I want a little bit more time because I don't feel like doing too much because it's freezing as fuck outside. Freezing as frick, my bad. So, right here. Wall jump. Let's go. Ain't no one left with your boy. Big boy Bodie up in this bit. Let's go. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, baby, so this time we're going down backwards and let's see how we do. Now I'm gonna keep my legs hanging off the back so that I can kick off to go a little bit faster. I'm gonna eat crap doing this. Oh crap, we're in the snow. Deep snow. Where we can't be. Okay. I'm chilling now. Oh crap, we're going fast, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Right foot, left foot, now taking hop start. I had to lift shoes for all the buses. Oh crap, dude. Frick. Let's go. That went smoothly. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. What the frick? Alright. We're gonna try and make a basket. Alright. Took my gloves off because I don't feel like wearing them right now, honestly. I'm gonna make one basket. Oh, by the way, before I make a basket, look. I made a freaking chair. Now, those look enticing. But, bro, honestly, that's comfortable. Except for the fact that it's windy as crap. Oh crap, I didn't even get to show you guys really. Oh crap, you're kidding me. Okay, there we go. Swish, frick. Swish. I don't know if you guys saw that one either. In case you didn't know one. See that? Frick. Okay, I'm done with that. I'm completely done with that. Oh, by the way. Yo, Pax, what are you building over there? He's building an igloo. That's looking good so far, actually. I'll see you guys if I do something else here. I don't know, I gotta see my stomach. I'm cold as frick. I don't want to keep doing this. Alright, boys. That is the end of today's video. Yeah, so that's the end of today's video. And, you know, I don't know when I'll be posting again. I'll try and post some shorts or games or let me know in the comments. What do you guys want to see? Because I need to know what you guys want to see. I don't know how long this video is. Maybe like, how long is this video? Probably like 6 minutes. I don't know. But I had to get a video out there because I haven't posted in 16 days, and I said I was going to post like 2 more times in like the next 5 days. So that didn't happen. So I will. Oh, by the way, actually, I want to show you this. Got a new driver. Showing you guys this in the summer. Just a little sneak peek to what I'll be doing. Doing some golfing and some fishing in the summer. But yeah, it's freezing because, especially, like, it's not even freezing. It's like 25 degrees, whatever. I can handle that. But the fact that it's 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts sucks. Like, I can't do too much with that. Like, my phone's kind of covered in snow right now. So I might have, if I can get to 7 minutes, maybe that'd be awesome, but I'm not sure. If you guys watch this video this long, thank you. I appreciate you. Let me know some video ideas that wouldn't be hard for me to do. Like, I can make gaming videos. I can make anything in the house. I can make trick shot videos. Even if you want me to make those, I'll do it. Because the winter time is the hardest season for me to make videos. I don't want to just take a 2-month break or 3-month break or whatever it is. So let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, you know, it looks nice out there. I mean, but it's cold. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.